2. Now we have done questions like this before where the directions are saying for how many weeks will they have the same amount of money. That means when does f of x equal g of x? When they are asking when they are the same, it means they want you to take the equations and set them equal to each other. So, x squared plus 46 equals 60 plus 5x. Since this is a quadratic, meaning there's an x squared, we're going to be solving it just like before. First, we need to set the equation equal to 0. So, x squared minus 14 equals 5x minus 5x from both sides. Make sure you're writing this in standard form, meaning put the x squared first, then the x, then the constant on the end. Again, from here, you can either factor or do the quadratic formula. I'm going to do this by factoring. X minus 7, x plus 2 equals 0. Because again, you need two numbers that multiply to negative 14 and add to negative 5. Next, make your t-chart. X minus 7 equals 0. Add the 7. So x equals 7. X plus 2 equals 0 minus 2. And x equals negative 2. Now in this question, it's only asking you for the x value, how many weeks. Since you can't have negative weeks, you're going to cross out the negative 2, write down reject, because you can't have negative weeks, making your answer 7 weeks. Now this question does not specifically say that you have to do it algebraically. So if you decided instead you wanted to use your calculator and write down y1 equals x squared plus 46, y2 equals 60 plus 5x, when you hit the graph button, you will notice that it does not all fit on one graph. So you will have to take and zoom out twice if you decide to do it this way. Then you would take and do second, trace, intersect, and write down your solutions. Second, calc, intersect, and you will get solutions negative 250 and 7, 95. You can't have a negative amount of weeks, and the question is only asking for your x value. So x equals 7, which would be 7 weeks. A third way to do this is you can also copy down your table of values to see what your solutions are, which turn out to be negative 250 and 795. Any of these ways will give you full credit. Since it does say the word explain in the question, depending on which way you answer it will determine the sentence that you're going to write. Now for homework tonight, you will take and do page 14, number 11 and 12. On page 15, we've already gone over question 13, so you will be finishing up 14 through 16 for homework tonight. The answer keys will be posted tomorrow for you to check your work. Have a nice day. I will talk to you tomorrow. Bye.